What's up, guys and girls? Rich here with LaytonSportsCards.com. We are ripping another box of Flawless Basketball. This one is for our good friend Arman D, the owner of the one-of-one Jeter bat knob from 2013. Was it 2013? Five-star baseball. That Arman. Yes, that Arman is back, and he is busting flawless. So God knows what's coming out of this one. Give me 1 second here. And we are good to go. Good luck, bud. Thanks, Arman. Good luck, bud. Ooh. Couple nice ones on top. Couple nice ones, bud. Nice one on top here, too. We have an on-card autograph. Numbered 1 of 20. First one made, Dr. J. With the fro. Love the old school fro. Dr. J on-card autograph. Great start. Numbered 1 of 20. After that, we have an Emerald on-card autograph, numbered 4 of 5. Tracy McGrady, T-Mac. Nice one, too. It's a Benchmarks. 4 of 5 Benchmarks T-Mac. That's a nice hit. After that, autograph, Jason Kidd, number 10 of 15. Another solid hit. Solid box. After that, autograph patch. 2 colors, 17 of 25, Gordon Hayward. And, of course, Arman is opening something, and he can't be complete without getting his 1 of 1. That is a 1 of 1 autograph prime patch. 1 of 1. Downtown Freddie Brown. Little Sonics love. Freddie Brown auto patch 1 of 1. Very nice. Downtown Freddie Brown. 1 of 1 auto patch. Very nice hit. Love the old school Sonics patch in there too. After that, another boom. Ridiculous patch. 14 of 15 Anthony Davis. Very nice hit. That's a sick patch. And after that, beautiful Letterman patch. Numbered 4 of 10 right off the back of his jersey. Rajon Rondo, my boy. 4 of 10 Rondo Letterman patch. Alrighty. Let me get these put away real quick here. All right. Card number 1 out of the inside, or I should say card number 8. Diamond card numbered 15 of 20, Brandon Knight. Not bad. 15 of 20, Diamond Brandon Knight. Not bad at all. After that, man, one away from a jersey number. If this was a jersey number hit, would have been a big boom. 12 of 15, Ruby Gem Card, Joakim Noah. Not bad. Joakim Noah. 12 of 15, Ruby. And last but not least, an absolutely gorgeous 13 of 25, on-card autograph, Kobe Bryant. Boom. Great way to finish off that box. Nothing wrong with it. Kobe auto. That is money in the bank. Very good box for Arman. Solid all the way through. Got a 1 of 1. Got a Kobe. Outstanding. We'll get those right out to you, man. Appreciate it.